Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to install ChromeOS Flex on any PC or laptop without using the Chromebook recovery utility. This method is super handy if you want a little more control over the installation process. So, if you are ready to transform your old computer into a speedy Chromebook, let's get started. First things first, we need to grab the ChromeOS Flex installation image. I've put a link to this website in the video description below. Once you are here, select ChromeOS Flex from the drop-down menu. Then choose the highest version number available. This ensures you are getting the latest stable build. It will save the recovery image as a .bin file to your computer. It's a pretty large file, so it might take a little while to download. Alright, now that the download is complete, we need a tool to create a bootable USB drive. For this, we'll use a popular and reliable program called Rufus. Download it from its official website. Now open up Rufus. You'll see a simple interface. First, select your USB drive from the device drop-down. Make sure it's at least 8 GB or larger. Under boot selection, click select and navigate to the ChromeOS Flex .bin file you just downloaded. Rufus will automatically configure most of the settings. Leave everything else as it is. Now, click Start. Just click OK to proceed. Rufus will now turn your USB drive into a bootable ChromeOS Flex installer. Before we start the installation, there is one crucial step. You need to disable Secure Boot in your computer's BIOS settings. The process for this varies slightly depending on your computer's make and model, so you might need to do a quick search online for specific instructions for your device. Once Secure Boot is disabled, restart your computer. While it's booting up, press the key that brings up the boot menu. In the boot menu, select your USB drive. After a few moments, you should see the ChromeOS Flex logo. Now, we are ready to install. Click Get Started. You will be given the option to try out ChromeOS Flex first or install it directly. For this tutorial, we are going straight for the installation. So click Install ChromeOS Flex. It shows a warning that this will erase your entire hard drive. If you are ready, click Install. The installation process will now begin. It might take a little while, so be patient. Once the installation is finished, your computer will shut down. Remove the USB drive and then power your computer back on. You will now be greeted with the ChromeOS Flex welcome screen, just like a brand new Chromebook. You'll need to go through the initial setup process, which includes selecting your language, connecting to Wi-Fi, signing in with your Google account, creating your login PIN, etc. And there you have it. You have successfully installed ChromeOS Flex without using Chromebook recovery utility. Now you can enjoy a fast, secure, and easy to use operating system on your old computer.